the crunchy granola types who like to attend gender reveal parties. The truth is that the Biden administration just keeps kicking its own ass. Mr. President, and I say this gently, you've got to stop being a chump. Either got their law license at Costco or they didn't pay attention in class. I'm sure that Jesus loves her, but everybody else on Capitol Hill thinks she's bizarre. They almost always enter a swimming pool by the stairs. Thinks that this budget was funded by leprechauns. See, here's his energy policy: wind, solar, and wishful thinking. Give $530,000 to a group called Hookers for Jesus. $2.1 million for sex education for Ethiopian prostitutes.